The 10 best neck sunglasses holders. How to keep your neck sunglasses holders in place. Best sellers and safety eyewear retainers 10. This review Parks has been updated 17 times since it was first published in July of 2023. If you own expensive sunglasses, you do not want to risk them falling off your head or shirt when you move around, especially if you are on a boat at the time. In addition to keeping your shades safe from damage and loss, these convenient holders can help to keep them securely on your face while you kayak, surf, or engage in other sporty activities. They are available in a wide range of designs. When users buy or into 2. Chums Universal price, $12.69.
'Hey guys, I'm Brinley with
Luxe
Luxe Performance, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install
$12.99.
your cable strap on your glasses and how to adjust the length. So first, let's talk about how to adjust the length. On each end, you will grab the temple grips and pull them apart. This will get you to the longest length. To make it shorter, you will grab the adjusters in the middle and pull them apart. This will get you to your shortest length. Next, let me show you how to install your cable strap on your eyewear. I would start with your cable strap in the longest length. From there, you are going to insert the temple grip on the temple of the glasses. For a more secure fit, you want to push the temple of the glasses as far as you can into the temple grip. Then give it a slight tug to make sure it is nice and secure. Once both temple grips are secure on the glasses, you can then put your shades on, tighten that strap up, and you're ready to go.
Four. Ukes Premium Retainer price, $12.99.
First, place the tip of the arm into the opening. Then slide the strap up from the top and then the bottom. Do not try to slide the strap up the arm by putting pressure directly on the middle of the arm. Repeat this jimmy until you get the strap to your desired place. Note that our neoprene straps will not slide up arms with rubber on them. Before using the jimmy method, you can slide a pen or pencil into each opening and let it sit overnight to enlarge the openings. Thanks for watching. Message us if these techniques do not work for you.
Hi everyone, it's Simon with Pilotfish, and today we're unboxing their silicone eyewear retainer, which comes in 5 different colors. Now, these are great for ensuring your sunglasses will be secure and comfortable when you're out having a good time. Sunnies ain't cheap, nothing worse than watching them sink into an abyss or kiss the concrete. Let's first take note of the unique silicone pass-through design connector that fits all sizes of eyewear. Next, let's check out how stretchy the silicone is and how easy it can pop off for cleaning. And lastly, you'll be happy to know you can adjust the fit to suit your needs, or you can pop the adjuster off and rock it free solo. All in all, the Pilotfish silicone eyewear retainer are clearly a huge step above the competition with quality and comfort. You might even forget you're wearing them. So get yours today and protect your investment. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, it's Simon with Pilotfish, and today we're unboxing their premium cotton eyewear retainers. Now, these retainers are great for protecting your sunglasses with comfort and style. It's a new take on a classic design. There's a smart leather patch to give a premium look while protecting the silicone slider from falling off. They're also very soft and come in many unique designs and shades to suit your style, interests, and most importantly, your personality. Lastly, what I really like is just how easy it is to connect sunglasses to the straps, adding all-day protection securing your eyewear. So comfortable, you might forget you're wearing them. And with the silicone slider, it's a custom fit for everyone. Just slide the connectors on, adjust the slider, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.
Greetings! Introducing a unique no-tail eyeglass cord that
SIGONNA
will become your
strap
favorite
price,
accessory.
$11.99.
There are 3 straps in the set and a lens-cleaning cloth as a gift. Suitable for absolutely any glasses with thick, medium, or even thin temples. The glasses will not fall out even if you try to push them. Snug fit to the back of the head, elastic and soft material, and super flexible tips. Ensure your glasses are safe and handy. A great purchase for yourself or as a gift to your beloved ones.
SIGONNA. Beautiful gift wrap.
SIGONNA glasses.
Incredible spiral design. Soft touch material. 2 color sets are available for your choice. For every taste and for every occasion, each set includes 3 straps, 6 clap tips, and 6 loops. Claps are perfect for even the thinnest temples, while loops will stretch and fit even very thick temples. You can quickly and easily replace the tip on your chain. Also, you can use the lobster clasp to wear protective masks. Your glasses are safe and your style is unrivaled. Enjoy SIGONNA and protect your glasses.
9.
SIGONNA.
Straight price.
Introducing brand new eyeglasses holders. Incredibly soft material. Extra rubber tip. Will guarantee the most secure grip on your favorite eyeglasses. These straps are only fit for glasses with temples width between 0.25 and 0.45 inches. 2 unique designs will delight everyone. Extended length, 29.5 inches. Tighten the holder with the adjuster. Stylish, comfortable and safe. Enjoy SIGONNA and protect your glasses.
10.
Such a simple
SIGONNA
and
Ski and Pole price, $21.95.
Professional. You no longer have to awkwardly try to hold your skis and poles on your shoulder. Secure skis tightly in one slot and ski poles in another. It's so simple and quick. Now your skis are securely fixed and ready to be carried. And like other ski straps, we try to consider all the complaints about other similar products, which is why we use only all-metal hooks and fasteners. Instead of button fasteners, we use improved and super quality Velcro. Instead of a rubber shoulder pad, fabric that will not break, as well as the only highest quality materials and strong, reliable seams. Give it a try and see how awesome our ski strap is.